Prime Minister Narendra Modi appears to have bowed to President Donald Trump's demands that he lift a ban on the anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine, which is unproven corona drug. India's External Affairs Ministry announced Tuesday that the country will license hydroxychloroquine in appropriate quantities to all our neighboring countries who are dependent on our capabilities, plus some nations particularly badly affected by the coronavirus pandemic, according to the Hindustan Times. A day after India lifted the ban on export of anti-malarial drug hydroxychloroquine to help the U.S. fight coronavirus, President Donald Trump mellowed his tone towards India and praised Prime Minister Narendra Modi. "I bought millions of hydroxychloroquine. More than 29 million. I spoke to Prime Minister Modi. A lot of hydroxychloroquine comes out of India. I asked him if he would release it. He was great. He was really good," Trump told Sean Hannity of the Fox News on Monday night. India had relaxed the complete ban on the drug's export it had placed on Saturday, hours after Trump had threatened retaliation if the curbs are not lifted. Trump has touted hydroxychloroquine as a miracle drug against COVID-19 despite many virologists and infectious disease experts saying that the excitement is premature and there have been no trials to prove its efficacy. "You know, they put a stop because they wanted it for India, but there are a lot of good things coming from hydroxychloroquine," Trump said, responding to a question on the usage of hydroxychloroquine. Trump and Modi spoke over the phone last week. During the call, Trump had requested Modi to lift the hold on the American order of hydroxychloroquine, of which India is the major producer. Hydroxychloroquine has been identified by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration as a possible treatment for the COVID-19, and it is being tested on more than 1,500 coronavirus patients in New York. Anticipating that it will work, given initial positive results, Trump has bought more than 29 million doses of hydroxychloroquine for potential treatment of COVID-19 patients. India on Tuesday allowed the export of hydroxychloroquine to the U.S., which has emerged as the global hotspot of COVID-19. By Tuesday night, nearly 4 lakh Americans tested positive for the novel coronavirus and the fatalities was more than 12,850. During the interview, Trump described hydroxychloroquine as a powerful malaria drug. "Lot of people are looking at it and saying, you know, I don't hear bad stories, I hear good stories. And I don't hear anything where it is causing death," said the U.S. president. India had also received requests to lift the export ban from several other countries, including its immediate neighbors Sri Lanka and Nepal. The government has said that it is reviewing its export ban order. Notably, the government's decision to ban the exports of hydroxychloroquine was driven by its desire to take stock of the domestic requirements and ensure that the country has enough of the drug. India manufactures 70% of the world's supply of hydroxychloroquine, according to Indian Pharmaceutical Alliance, IPA, Secretary General Sudarshan Jain. The country has a production capacity of 40 tons of hydroxychloroquine, HCQ, every month, implying 20 crore tablets of 200 milligrams each. And since the drug is also used to autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and lupus, manufacturers have good production capacities that can also be ramped up.